Meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Nice to see the sun back this afternoon. We'll have it around kind of off and on through the PM hours. Let's get a look at live Doppler radar. We are rain free this afternoon. Certainly some good news there. Threat tracker for today, low chance of severe weather. Same for Wednesday. Now on Thursday, up to that medium levels as we are expecting showers and thunderstorms, some downpours. Could be looking at some gusty winds as well. Now the timing of the rain and potential gusty winds yet to be exactly determined. But sometime PM Thursday into Thursday night, we'll be able to fine-tune that according to the progress of Michael down there in the Gulf of Mexico and into the southeastern U.S. Meanwhile, we've got blue skies down here in Narragansett. You can see we've got some surfers trying to go out, some people walking around in the relatively low tide. North Kingstown, we got a sailboat working across the bay right now. Beautiful sky, pretty quiet, 77 degrees with a wind from the southwest 5 miles an hour. Generally quiet across all of New England. Just a few showers to the north. Area of high pressure situated off to our south and east will work to bring in the warmth into southern New England and a touch more humidity as well. Feeling very summery for the next couple of days. And that's where Michael is right now. Down in the Gulf of Mexico, water temperatures very warm, upper 80s in some spots down here in an area called the Dry Tortugas in the northeast Gulf of Mexico. Now this is going to be working its way northward and intensifying in that warm Gulf of Mexico water into perhaps a Category 3 storm before it makes landfall in the panhandle of Florida. And to the right of it, that's where some of the biggest storm surges will be, perhaps 8 to 12-foot storm surge and some very strong winds, maybe 120 miles an hour or so. It works its way across the southeastern United States during Wednesday night and through the day on Thursday and passing to our south on Friday. But we could be looking at some very heavy rain come Thursday and into Thursday night. Let's take a look how it all plays out with our hour-by-hour forecast. We are expecting Michael to make landfall tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening, sometime in that time frame, working its way across the southeastern U.S. through the day Thursday. Notice out ahead of it, we've got some rain arriving, some of which could be heavy, could be looking at some thunderstorms as well. The actual center of circulation passes off to our south and east, but we could be looking again at some rain out ahead of it. Forecast for today looks okay. 77 degrees, partly to at times mostly cloudy, obviously milder and obviously drier than what we've been seeing. Forecast for tonight, overnight lows about 65, kind of muggy overnight, likely finding some areas of fog developing. Here's that 7-day forecast tomorrow, looking very summery, upper 70s to near 80, kind of a humid feel to the air as well with sunshine. Now on Thursday, again, the exact timing of the showers and downpours yet to be determined, but likely seeing some showers in the afternoon. Some of the heavier stuff might not arrive until the evening hours. On Friday, might be a lingering shower early on, then clearing out, setting us up for a very autumn-like weekend. Look at these temperatures. It's kind of like just this past weekend, except for it'll be brighter. Sunshine, upper 50s to around 60 degrees.
All over the map this week.
Lots of ups and downs.
I like the fall part, though. Tis the season. It's mid-October.
Right.
Come on,
feels
people.
nice.
All right, TJ, thanks so much. Now, in stories coming up new tonight, starting live at 5. Pivotal Game 4 for the Boston Red Sox tonight. We are live in the Bronx as the Sox look for a win. Then new at 5:30, the latest on this weekend's deadly limo crash in New York. We are learning more about the 20 people killed there and where the investigation into what went wrong now stands. And new at 6, how the community is rallying behind a young boy whose parents tragically died in a murder-suicide. Those stories plus all the day's breaking news later on Eyewitness News. Remember, if you're not home by 6 o'clock, you can get an update on all the day's big stories every weeknight on Eyewitness News at 6.